wicket behavior changed a little bit at the second inning. Early on, it was playing really nicely. If you could see, none of the ball was working. So every ball was coming very nicely on the bat. Second time, somehow it's changed. Start swinging as well, start staying low as well. But I think at the end, when I came to bat and me and Asif Ali was speaking to each other just to get that target so we can go to the qualifiers. After that, we were deciding to go after every single thing. So that's what everything was on in mind.
Amir, you joined the team a bit late to a second or third match, and team was a bit of trouble in the early stage, and then BCB takes over, and you guys come, and how the team gelled up, and they qualify for the playoff. Many of them are not thinking about that.
Yeah, I think whoever was the owner and whoever was just left the team, that's not my concern. I came here to play cricket, and apart all of these things, I think we have a very good bunch of players, and we get very close to each other. I know many of them from the last 4 years, so it wasn't that hard to get gel to each other. Like, I mean, I've been coming here over like from last 4 years to the Bangladesh, and I know 5 to 6 of them, and I met a couple of new guys here, but all of them are really nice. They're Bangladeshi players, really all of them are very nice.
Aaron Washington was very important part of the team, but he was injured and they are
Yeah, but getting injured is not in your hands. You just can't expect to be injured. So that's a natural thing. So he get injured. That's how it goes. And I think he was doing really well for our team. And I think early wins. His role was very important. And I think he got injured, and that's the natural thing.
Getting into the knockouts, any concern about the top order because they have been failing last couple of matches?
I think bad day can come to anyone. Same as me. I had a bad day today with the bowling, but I had a good day with the bat as well. So I think what I would say, we need to play fearless cricket, and when we won all those games, I think we were playing really well because we were just fearless. And sometime when batsman is struggling and they just somehow get into his mind like, I'm not scoring runs, so that's how they go to back foots. But I would definitely suggest them to go fearless cricket.
I mean, Chattogram obviously played pretty well throughout the tournament, but just before the playoff, two back-to-back losses. So do you feel it's a bit of concern because T20 momentum is a big factor?
Yeah, I think wicket plays a very big role in last game as well. T20 is all about I think entertainment, and pitches like yesterday, it wasn't T20's pitch. I would never ever have someone with a wide ball on such pitch. That was a pure test cricket pitch, and I hope they made the same pitches as well for the test matches as well. But if you could see the last game in 19th over, there was seaming and swinging. Never ever happened in T20 in world ever. So today's pitch was really good. Test for the bowlers, test for the batsmen as well in the second inning. So I think, yes, we need to get together and we sit down together and we need to sort out for the next game as well, inshallah.
I mean, how would you sum up the journey from the group stage since you got ready to qualify?
I think that was the top order as well who brought us here on this stage. So I would definitely back them. And they were giving us really good start at the end and at the middle of the innings. So we have got very good batsmen as well. Mehdi was playing really well throughout the tournament, if you could see all of those innings. And I think Naeem was intense. So we won a couple of games with 9 wickets left. So I think that was a big part of them as well.
Thank you.
Thank you.